lovelies! Did you know you've been doing it wrong all this time? Today, I'll show you a simple, step-by-step method to turn a plain dress into a premium in just a few minutes. Let's go! First, I opened my image in Photo. I duplicated the original with Ctrl+ so I could edit without touching the base. Then I used the pen tool to carefully trace around. Once selected, I imported the I wanted to transform into and converted it into a Next, I pointed this red gown and held Alt button until you see the arrow icon appear. Then just hit enter. Now you can resize and adjust it until you get the perfect. But to make it feel more real, I added shadows and highlight, blending modes, and soft light. This gave the fabric depth and made the red gown look three-dimensional. Finally, I blended the edges, adjusted the overall lighting so the transformation didn't look pasted but truly cinematic. And that's it, just a few smart steps to take your photo from simple to stunning. If this inspired you, hit like, share it with your creative friends, and subscribe for more motion, design, and editing magic every single week. This is Rise on Motion, where we give brands motion magic.